day of video game week, so the students have been working with Scratch, designing their own video games. So we'd like to thank our sponsors for sponsoring Tech Camp, because without them we wouldn't be able to do this. Thank you to Chevron and to Delta Utilities for their ongoing support with Tech Camp. We're learning about mechanics like controlling players, increasing score, decreasing lives. Kids are learning about logic, programming, and doing it in a way that's fun for them and allows them to replicate the games they play every day.
Instructions. Press the left arrow to go left and the right arrow to go right. Basically, I don't need any time. So I'm trying to code this. So this symbol is important for Jade Mountain Academy.
My own Geometry Dash character.
So how are you doing? Just give me a little walkthrough of what you're doing.
So basically, I'm just using squares so far and rectangle. So I got the color red and then made it into that square. So after that, I changed it to a green color and made the eyes. I know the eyes look kind of wacky, but I like it that way.
It's because I don't want them like this too.
You want to collect all the baseballs you can. The yellow balls are golden, so they give you 2.
My favorite thing about camp is that they let us like to work on the things we would like to work on. Camp was really good. I was able to work on most of my projects without any interruptions, and I'm glad I was able to work on Scratch.
My friend did the song.